Hey everyone, do you ever get that sinking feeling on your way to the airport, like you've forgotten something important? Yeah, me too. I couldn't tell you how many times I've had to buy a toothbrush or a phone charger on vacation. But what if I told you there's a genius way to make sure that never happens again? It's time to let AI be your personal packing assistant. Just open up a tool like ChatGPT and tell it everything about your trip. For example, I'm going to Bali for 2 weeks in July. It's a beach trip with some hiking. What should I pack? Instantly, it'll generate a super detailed list tailored just for you, from swimsuits and hiking boots to sunscreen and insect repellent. It can even remember those random things you'd never think of, like a portable power bank or spare camera batteries. You can then refine the list, save it, and use it as a template for future adventures. It's like having a packing list that actually remembers better than you do. Try it out for your next trip and travel stress-free. If you found this tip helpful, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more life hacks. Thanks for watching.